Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add new books to Apple Books on app on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to add new books to Apple Books app, so let's see how can you do this. Basically, Apple Books app is not available in your Android phone because it is specific app for iOS version. But if you want to try Apple Book app on Android, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to look for third-party applications in Play Store. Just look for this, which is Google Play Books. Just search for it, and if you get this something like this, which is looking for Google Play Books, and this app isn't available on Play Store in your region, so you just have to go back, open Play Store, Google Chrome, and here you just have to search for Google Play Books APK as I have already searched. Now tap on search and then open this website, and here just scroll down, look for download APK, tap on it. Now scroll down again, and here tap on download APK, and here you can see our download has been started. Go to downloads, and here you can see I have downloaded this. Now go to your files app, and files, go to downloads, and after downloading there you just had to tap on install to install the app. As you can see, I have already installed it. Now open it, and here you can easily add books, comics, or stories. etc. You can shop books, and here you can easily get books to read or enjoy. So that's how you can add new books to Apple Book app on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.